Hey guys, welcome back to 4-Wheel Builds. Today I've got a special little treat for you. We're not working on a traditional car, so to speak, but we're working on my John Deere X110 automatic ride-on lawnmower. I got myself a John Deere home maintenance kit, which has all the, oil filters, anything that's required to get this sucker serviced. I've bought this about 2 years ago. I don't do many hours on this. It's not measured in kilometers or meters, it's measured in hours of operation. But I've had it for 2 years, so I think it's figured it's probably due for a fresh set of oils and filters. So thanks to JD24 for sending me this out. Let's get this opened up. Let's see what this home maintenance kit includes. So it includes some oil, more oil, 5W30, this tiny little oil filter. Here's an air filter. It's got a fuel filter, spark plug, and the next service due date sticker. Before driving the mower into the garage, I ran it for a few minutes just to let the oil warm up, and that way it's going to be easier to drain. So let's now open up the cover. The oil drain is here, so I'll take this cover off. So this cover is held in place by one 8mm bolt, which is located just under here. Once you get this bolt undone, just push the cover up. There's these two slots, and there's our cover taken off. Now we've got good access to the oil drain plug. Whilst you're at it, take off the cover on the left hand side as well. Once again, just a one single 8mm bolt. And by taking off the left hand side cover, you've got good access to the fuel filter, which is right there. Now I've got an oil pan, but it's too big for here, so I've just got this little bucket, and the oil release is a twist and pull affair. So let's let this oil drain out. And I'll undo the fill up the top. And just obviously let the oil drain out. Well, funny thing guys, this mower does not actually have an oil filter, so not quite sure as to why they sent me one. But at the same time, they sent me this air filter, which is completely different to the air filter which I already have. This is the air filter I should have got, so I'm not quite sure, maybe if I got the wrong kit or something, but that's really strange. The oil's drained out. Oh, so let's close up the actual oil cap and let's fill the engine with oil. Now these are 1 litre bottles, so I'll put the 1 litre in. Maybe just under, I've put about 900 mils in. Now we can check the dipstick and see where it's at. And we're just sitting under the minimum mark, so we can put the remainder of the oil in. Let's just recheck the oil once again, and we're just sitting right on the bottom of the minimum scale. We'll let all the oil drain down, and then whilst we're waiting, let's get onto the spark plug. So the spark plug lives right there. And you undo the spark plug, and you can do the spark plug with a 16mm. That's pretty dark. Here's the new one. They look about the same. Let's get the new one in there. Okay, let's not overdo it. plug lead on there. Alright, so the only thing left for us to do now is do the fuel filter. Okay. Pop the fuel filter. Now just the bottom bit. There's some clips there. So we put the new one in there. And get it secured. Gotta get the spring clip off this hose. Okay. To make sure this hose is secured. Okay. Alright, so that's nice and secure. So let's put this cover back on, and we can start putting the whole thing back together again. Okay, we've got the cover back on, oil is filled up, spark plug is changed, fuel filter is changed. Well, the only thing we haven't got changed is the air filter. Well, that's because we don't have a new one to be able to add in here, which is kind of a shame. I wanted to have all complete, but I'll get that sorted out. Alright, so let's get these covers put on and let's get this ride-on-mower started. Got everything buttoned up. Let's do one last check of the oil level. Not quite sure if you can tell, but it's quite perfect. It's right near the top hole, which is full or max. Yeah, the last thing that remains to do is just change our air filter over, and that lives on the left hand side of the engine, just under this cover here. Oh wow, oh, look at that, that's filthy. Let's get that cable out of the way. Ah, look at that, guys, that is just absolutely filthy. And here's a nice clean one with a pre-filter, which this one does not actually have. So to get this installed, get your pre-filter, pop that in, mesh side on the inside. And then let's pop our filter in, and now just close the whole thing up. Now let's take another look at the old filter. That is absolutely filthy. Now that the service is finished, let's give it a start and see how it goes. So that's it, guys. That's how you perform a service on a John Deere X110 automatic ride-on mower. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave me a like, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.